G'day guys, welcome back. Got three of us today. So we're going to go throw a fridge slide in on top of this fridge slide that's on the drawers, so just to come out a bit further, and then we'll bolt the fridge to it hopefully, so we don't have to have straps anymore. We bolt it on there, should be a permanent fixture until I get a bigger fridge. So but yeah, stay tuned. Hit them buttons if you want to see more, like, subscribe, all that jazz. But yeah, so this is what you're going to need. Righto, so you're going to need another fridge slide. I don't know what brand this one is. I got it off my mate. Bought it off him, it was laying around in his shed. And then socket set, drills, shifter, some bolts. I'm going to have to drill the holes out in here a bit more. And then the fridge. So we'll get into it. We'll drill these holes out, bolt that to this fridge slide, and then we'll bolt the fridge to that. Or we'll bolt the fridge to that first actually, and then bolt that to the slide. Alright, stay tuned. Righto, so I've turned the fridge upside down and it's got 4 screws screwing the feet on. So I'll take them feet off, then I'll screw these into one of these holes, hopefully. Should fit. And should be permanently on there. So we'll get a screwdriver and undo these ones. And just like that, we have the fridge on a double slide. Used to only go to there. Beautiful. Comes way out. Heaps more room. Shit, son. So it seems to be plenty strong enough. Not going anywhere. With the magic of camera. Ice cold and got a beer in it. Well, that's it for that one. Got the fridge on a fridge slide and it's bolted down. Don't need straps anymore. Not going anywhere. So should be good, hopefully. And just make it a pain if ever want to take the fridge out. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy this beer and see you on the next one. Catch you later.